Alright, so this is the first in my beautiful borders series, and I'm just going to demonstrate a few fancy little borders that are actually just using a number of the same basic stitches, but they're combined. And the first one is the fly stitch, and if you don't know how to do this one, I'll put a link up over there to my fly stitch tutorial. It's the vertical fly stitch. And I'll show you a little bit here as we finish up to, I've got this far done and we're going to finish up to the end. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in, and then we're going to come up, finish off the V portion. And right up here at the bottom, and catch that thread, and we're just going to keep going down till we have this part finished. Okay, now that we have all the fly stitch done, we're going to go back in and we're going to be adding in all of these little French knots at the ends of our little Ys. And I'll show you how to do that here on the bottom. Alright, so to do our French knot, we're just going to come up at the end of our little Y tops on our fly stitches, and 1, 2, 3 wraps around the needle. And now you're going to keep tension on this side where you wrapped, and it go just next to the hole, and you're going to pull this out, and you can even put your finger over the little bundle of thread there and just pull it through, and you have a perfect French knot. And we're just going to go ahead and keep doing those on all of the rest of the little Y pieces. Alright, and now we're doing our final stitch here, and keep that tight. Pull it through, and voila, we have all of our French knots done. And as you can see, this makes a very pretty little border. How I'm going to finish that is, I don't think I showed this, but this is how I started too. I'm just going to bring it up through the fabric, and I'm going to make a little knot in here, and it kind of keeps a very nice neat look on the back of the piece. And give it a little clip. And I did try to use thread that was long enough to go down the whole thing. I had to tie it here, but I just tried to make a neat little knot so that just keeping it neat on the back. And as you can see, there is my border, and it's just 2 stitches, just the fly stitch, and decorated then with the French knots, and it makes a really lovely little border. And I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and hope you give it a try yourself. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my tutorials, and come back next time. I'm going to be doing another border at the top. Alright, bye!